Hello, beautiful friends. Welcome to Cassia Naturals. If you're new on my channel, you're so welcome. And thank you so much for clicking on this video. You're on the right channel. You're not lost. Yes, so on this channel, we do share DIY, how to draw closer to God, how to grow your natural hair, how to have flawless skin without using any toxic ingredients, and how you can formulate your own products at home using different kinds of natural materials or raw materials. Yes, something which you can access at home. Yes, so if you're new on my channel, you can click on that red subscribe button and subscribe today. To my 75 subscribers, thank you so much, dear friends, for your love and the support. God bless you. Like, we want to grow this channel. We want to continue posting nice researched videos. So like, I upload videos every day, so make sure that you watch out for videos every day. Yes, so like our growth is in phases: 50, 100 and 1000. Yes, so thank
In
you so
today's
much. Make
video,
sure
we are
that you watch this
making
video
an
until the
Ayurvedic
end.
hair mist for massive hair growth. So we are going to use hibiscus. We're also going to use aloe vera powder, hibiscus, and fenugreek. We're also going to use some hibiscus glycerite, some balls, a funnel, and rosemary essential oil. And we're also going to use hot water, which is in a beaker, as you can see. Yes, so make sure that you watch this video until to the end. So aloe vera powder comes on each scalp. So Barrett dermasis is the chemical term for the condition we call dandruff. So the system of and itchy scalp and flaking skin under your hair can be treated with the aloe vera. So a 1998 study found that aloe vera helped resolve the scalp inflammation that dandruff causes. The fatty acids found in aloe have anti-inflammatory properties which help strands and strengthens and repair hair. Aloe also contains vitamin A, C, and E. Of these nutrients contributes to the cell turnover, promoting healthy hair growth and shine. So vitamin B12 and folic acid are also contained in aloe vera gel. Both of the components can keep your hair from falling. However, there's no study that contains conclusively that aloe vera has can benefit in preventing hair loss. Hibiscus is a remedy for hair growth, promotes herbal, hair loss, and proponents of herbals, actually they're the ones who promote hibiscus for hair growth. So it stops hair loss, it makes hair look healthy and luster, prevents premature graying, thicken hair and add volume, treat dandruff conditions against and freeze dryness and breakage. So it also prevents split ends. So however, note that their claims aren't supported by clinical research. So fenugreek or menthe seeds are, relatively used as a natural home remedy for hair falling and thinning and other related conditions such as dandruff, itchy scalp. So it promotes hair growth. They also contain a unique components of plant compounds, including flavonoids and saponins. So these components are presumed to induce hair growth due to their anti-inflammatory and antifungal effects. Also going to add glycerin. Glycerin is a popular humectant, which is a substance that tends to absorb moisture or water from the surrounding areas, limiting its evaporation. So glycerin absorbs water from the surroundings, making it an excellent ingredient for a hair growth. So it has inflammatory and irritated properties that can help eradicate itchy in the scalp, and deeply moisturizes and hydrates the hair. So glycerin is one of the best known humectant alongside honey. It retains moisture, to dry hair and improve scalp layer by hydrating it, thereby preventing dandruff. It also conditions the hair, which reduce dryness, frizziness, and breakage. So you have to make sure that at every stage you add in an ingredient, make sure that you stir it so that it's well combined and it's well distributed in your product.
Yes, so stir. And then next we are going to add in rosemary essential oil. So rosemary essential oil promotes growth. It has anti-inflammatory properties, promotes nerve growth, improves circulation. Rosemary oil strengthens circulation. As a result, it's found it it controls, like it prevents follicles from being starved of blood supply, drying off and leading to hair loss. So beyond stimulating, rosemary essential oil is used to prevent premature graying and dandruff. It may also help dry or itchy scalp. At this point, you can use your hair mist. Now it's very important, it's extremely important, like to add a preservative to homemade products. It prevents molds and bacteria to start crawling in your product. But if you don't have a preservative, you can store it in the fridge for at least 5 days or 1 week and then discard it. Now our product is ready, so we are getting a spray bottle and just transferring it in our spray bottle. So we are going to use a 200 ml spray bottle and 50 ml bottle. So we actually made a 250 batch of this hair massive spray. And for the herbs, we used 3 grams of each and 1 gram of our glycerite. Yes, and if you're new on my channel, you can click on that red subscribe button and subscribe today. If you want to be seeing more of such videos, then subscribe to my channel. Yes, and comment in the section below if you're going to make this or if you have tried it before. And if you're enjoying this video, give me a like. So I'm super excited. It's midweek. Actually, it's been almost a week ever since I had moisturized my hair. So I'm going to moisturize my hair with this massive Vedic hair growth mist. So we are now transferring in a small spray bottle. That is a 50 ml bottle, a spray bottle. So like, you should always be checking out for more videos. I upload videos every day. So that's how they look like. Look at that. So beautiful. I love it. And the color is so brilliant. So perfect. So now we are ready to use it. So like, I've been in this protective hairstyle for close to a week. So like, been doing low manipulation hairstyles. We're trying to grow out our hair and our edges. So I don't do high maintenance hairstyles. So this hairspray is going to really work well for our hair. Yes, so like, if you experience breakage, itchiness, dandruff, then this spray is great for your hair. So that is how our hairstyle look like. Yes, so like, you don't need to manipulate your hair, just spray it regularly throughout your hair strands, and this leads to hair growth. Yeah, so dear friends, I really appreciate for stopping by and watching my video. God bless you for watching and for your support. So have you seen, you don't need to touch or to redo your hair, just spray it regularly and you are done. Yeah, so we are very happy. I love formulating and I love making my own products. Yes, thank you so much, dear friends. Bye bye. God bless you. See you in my next video.